Have you noticed anything different about today's audio? I'm not using my usual boom mic. Every word you hear right now is coming straight from this little microphone, which is LUUCCO AirWave K2. Let's find out if something is small can actually hang with the big boys. Hey, I'm James and I make videos that help creators shoot smarter, edit faster and gear up on a budget. If honest and no fluff reviews are your thing, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Let's have a quick look on the box content. We'll get leather style charging case with a monochrome status screen, 2 transmitter, 3 receiver, one for the camera, one for Type-C interface, and also you'll get a lightning receiver for older iPhones. 2 magnets, 2 magnetic clips, 2 windscreens, USB-C cable, TRS to TRS cable, and the inevitable user manual that we all ignore. Each transmitter is only 9 gram, which is very light. It will stay like a feather on your t-shirt. It has a magnetic clip option to make your life easier when you are attaching the mic on your t-shirt. The mic has a pouch style charging case, which I'm not a huge fan of. You can charge the case using Type-C port. There is a mini display on the case to show the charge status. There is a pocket in the case where you can store the extra receiver and TRS cable in the pouch. But I expected to have additional space for the phone receiver on the case itself for better organization. Maybe I could lose my phone receiver if I just put it on the pocket. Also, the pocket is not big enough to store all the belongings because this thing is really tiny. The transmitter design is very simple. On the top you will see the mic capsule and there is a multifunction button on the side. Single tap will mute the microphone, so if I talk and tap microphone again, it will unmute the microphone. If I double tap it, it will enable noise reduction. There isn't that much noise here on this room, so if I just double tap it, I can engage the noise reduction and you can see the noise reduction LED is turned on, so that the noise reduction is enabled. Again, if you want to disable the noise reduction, just double tap on the button. So now the noise reduction is turned off. Again, you can triple tap it to enable the echo feature. So if I just triple tap, now the echo feature is enabled. For those who loves to sing will definitely love this feature. It's not my thing. When you are enabling different features, it will show it using the LED indicator. Both the camera and mobile receiver has a single button. Single tap on it to adjust the gain, and triple tap will allow to select mono or stereo recording. The good thing is the smartphone receiver has a pass-through port, so you can charge your smartphone for an extensive live session. The mic provides a 24-bit 48 kHz sample rate, giving you plenty of headroom for dialogue. It uses 2.4 GHz transmission and capable of 100 meter of line of sight range. That is huge. You will get 6 hours of runtime with the transmitter on a full charge. Using the case, you can charge the system for 1.5 times. So here is the raw signal sample. If you are recording in studio condition, you can expect this quality. There isn't that much noise here in this room. I have just turned on my air conditioner, that's it. Without that, there isn't any noise. So I haven't applied any EQ, no denoise in post-production, just raw audio. Now let me show you the noise reduction feature again. So if I just talk and enable the noise reduction, so now I have enabled the noise reduction and you can hear how much noise it has reduced. I have found that the noise reduction feature is not that much good, especially when you are using this microphone in a noisy condition. So let's go outside and test this microphone in real life scenario. Now let's have a quick audio test. I'm using LUUCCO AirWave K2 microphone and I haven't enabled the noise reduction feature. So this is the built-in microphone that you are hearing without any noise reduction, and I'm using the windshield provided with this microphone. There is a little bit breeze here, so you can hear if this microphone can cut out the breeze noise. I will go back and see how long this microphone can transmit the audio. The advertised range coverage is 100 meter. I'm not using that much range, but I am approximately 50 meter away from my camera, and I think you can hear me clearly. The microphone can transmit the audio perfectly if there isn't any obstacle between the camera and microphone. So that's the range test. Now let's compare the audio quality with Holyland Lark M2S with this LUUCCO AirWave K2 microphone. Now we are hearing me using LUUCCO AirWave K2 microphone, and I'll switch to Holyland Lark M2S now. And now you are hearing me using Holyland Lark M2S microphone. I am recording the audio in similar conditions so that you can compare with LUUCCO AirWave K2 microphone. Now let's test the noise reduction feature of this microphone. I am in a extremely noisy condition, so without the noise reduction the audio will sound like that. So if I enable the noise reduction just by tapping the power button twice, now the noise reduction is engaged and you are hearing me with the noise reduction feature enabled. So let me share my thoughts. I will start with the pros. The mic is compact and very affordable. For $50, the mic build quality is decent. It produces decent audio and the mic has great range coverage. Things I didn't like about this microphone is heavy branding and bright LED on the transmitter. Cannot store all the accessories inside the case, that is another thing. And lastly, the noise reduction feature is bad. I will not use its noise reduction feature. So who the microphone is for? If you interview on the street, blog with your phone, or need stealth backup microphone for wedding works, yes. If you're a studio podcaster already running XLR mic, I think you don't need to invest on this microphone. You are good with your pro grade microphones. So it's not perfect, but for the footprints and price, it crushes my expectation. Is it lives up to the hype? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn video editing, filmmaking, or if you have interest on different filmmaking gears, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.